Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome everybody, MemoQ Intermediate Skills, and this is lesson number 6. Lessons from 1 through 4 are covered by the basic operator course. We have already given lesson number 5 in MemoQ Intermediate Skills, and now we move to number 6. In number 5, we talked about backupping a project, and now what we will do is to restore that backup project. In other words, you have already a backup project and you want to move it to another computer. You have already moved it and you want to restore that full project with the memory and time base. Let's see. The goal is to restore a project from the backup file and to restore along with the project not only the files that we have imported but also the memory or memories and term bases and databases associated with that project. The condition, you have to use MemoQ 2015 and you have to use the MemoQ Intermediate Skills folder including the playground files. MemoQ 2015 is available in www.memoq.com. This is the official website. We are not representing MemoQ or Kulikray, the company that manufactures this software, but we have some training and tutorial sessions on the Arab Professional Translator Society library. You can download them from there. Please go to the relevant category in the library and download the folder which is called MemoQ Intermediate Skills folder. You will find it in a compressed zip file. Having talked about the goal, now we can talk about the first step. The first thing to do is to open MemoQ 2015, and after we open it, we'll go to the project workstation. The first thing that we want to do is to delete everything that we have created, which is the forced migration project. We want to delete it along with the memory and term base. Let's do it now. Now this is MemoQ, and if you remember, we were just here in this project. We already have a backup, and this is our training today on that. First of all, let us remove the forced migration project. I want you to right click, and when you right click, go there to move to recycle bin. Let me warn you again, I said it in the basic operation course. Do not remove the project from the computer folders, whatever they are. You have to remove it from inside MemoQ, otherwise there will be a problem. Now click move to recycle bin. It will say yes, okay, yes. Now it is deleted, it is in the recycle bin. By the way, you can get it back from the recycle bin, which is inside the MemoQ. I know that the Windows system has a recycle bin, but a recycle bin here is just the MemoQ recycle bin. It's inside it, inside the MemoQ. Now as a next step, we will remove the memory and also the term base. Let's go. We go to the console with the resource console. It's on this icon. We go to translation memories and go ahead and remove it. Select forced migration. You can either use the options here or you can right click and delete. You press yes. Now it's deleted. You don't have this memory anymore. Go to the term base, do the same thing with the term base. Right click, delete, or you can simply just press delete here. What we have here now is a project without a term base, without a memory, without anything. We don't have a project, we don't have the term base, and we don't have the memory. Please close. Go back to the project workstation. Now we want to restore the backup file. It's very easy, just go to that, click here on this icon. Alternatively, you can simply right click and restore. Whatever you choose, you will have the same result. You will have this window. Now Go to the folder, open, next, next. Now finish. Let's wait. It did not take a long time because already the files are very simple and they are not translated. The memory is empty, the term base is empty. It will take longer times if it has big memories and term bases. Now open it, please. When we open it, now we have restored our files, the 3 of 1. Now let's check on the memory and the term base. Are they restored? We go to the console again. You see it's restored here, and the term base is also restored. So this is the end of this lesson, number 6. We have restored the project, and we will work on this project with some other advanced or intermediate skills at least. What we want to do later on, just remember, we will discover the options registered local to see what it does, but not this time, later on maybe. We press close, and you can close now the program. We are done with it, or minimize it. So that was the step number 2, which is how to restore the file. As I said, it's either to click the icon or to right click and choose done. Now here we have come to an end of lesson 6, which is restore a full project along with the associated memories and term bases. Thank you very much for listening. We'll see you in lesson number 7, and lesson number 7 is going to be in more details about how to translate inside MemoQ to see some of the tricks and some of the tips that you have to follow while you are translating from inside MemoQ. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time.